I keep telling everyone there's no friends in this. I don't like this whole like fashion of oh now I'm from Karnataka, I need to represent Karnataka. But it's more about like what I'm raised around. खाना नहीं मेरे सामने नमक कम मेरे खाने में ऐसा कुछ मैं कर सकता हूँ. Hi, I'm the Siege. I'm a rapper from Mira Road, and welcome to What We Cooking. कैसे हो सिद्धार्थ भाई?
Hi, Sish. Welcome to my kitchen.
Thank you so much for having me भाई.
What do you feel like having today?
भाई आप मेरे लिए सांबार राइस बना सकते हो आज?
जरूर सांबार राइस बनाएंगे and we can also make some paisam.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? मजा आ जाएगा भाई.
So सांबर क्यों खाना?
You know I like I travel a lot.
Yeah.
You know I make music somewhere, perform somewhere. बहुत घूमता रहता हूँ. Every time I come back home.
The first meal that I want my mom to cook for me, and she knows it already. This also चल रहा है. That you know she cooks me like a plate of sambar, rice, papad, pickle. Sometimes a fried egg, sometimes I mix it up with curd. I'm South Indian, so that's what we've been having like all our life. My father also every time he comes home, my mother makes him.
Like 20 इडली बनाएगी, सांबार बनाएगी, चटनी बनाएगी. मेरा बाप 20 इडली खाता है मेरे साथ में बैठ के. So that's like one of our like घर का staple food है. So I think like sambar rice is the best thing that I've eaten. My favorite food for sure भाई.
कभी मम्मी को सांबर बनाते हुए like have you helped her out?
आप बेइज्जती मत करो मेरी. No man, I think I haven't. And I also think sambar rice making it is like really tough. Like दाल वगैरह तो मेरे को लगता है थोड़ा simple है.
That is true.
Sambar is way better
It's
than
very
dal. Way better than dal. Honestly, I'll just put it out there. बहुत मुश्किल होता है सांबर बनाना, इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा intimidate होकर थोड़ा मम्मी को बोलता हूँ आप कर लो अपना.
So the sambar that we are making today is sambar inspired from Tamil Nadu. So these are all the ingredients that we have for the sambar. We have coriander seeds, dried red chilies, mustard, poppy seeds, tur dal, urad dal, peppercorns, kadhi patta, cumin, turmeric. How we'll be making it is like we'll be dry roasting each and every ingredient, and then we're gonna like mix it in a grinder.
पक्का चलो ठीक है.
Did you ever do any of these things before in your life?
मैंने होटल मैनेजमेंट करी है तो फिर
कब?
टाइम हो गया, बहुत टाइम हो गया. 2018 I was doing hotel management.
Where do you do your hotel management from?
From Rizvi bro, Bandra.
What about it was fun for you?
Honestly, nothing was fun. I think like when I started off, it was like चलो करते हैं, मजा आएगा, थोड़ा खाना वाना बनाएंगे. Start up like a restaurant like this, maybe like a bakery like this.
So तुझे कब समझ में आया कि like this industry is not where you want to be?
Bro, I think I was doing my internship. तो मेरे को लगता है वहाँ पर मेरे को किचन में डाल दिया था उन्होंने पहले ही जैसे मैं घुसा. And I think like I'm really bad in the kitchen. Just letting you know, warning.
But मैंने भी मेरे first day of internship पे I didn't know how to walk in with a tray.
Yeah.
And मैंने पूरा tray of starter गिरा दिया था और मेरे शेफ ने मुझे बोला था कि आ गया किचन में एक और घर.
वही मेरे साथ ही वही हुआ था. मेरे भी किचन में जब मैं था, bro, I kind of cried like in the first 2 days I shed tears. I was just like, this is like, yeah, it's
like
too
terrible.
stressful, bro.
Just smell this. So you can smell
Yeah.
that, okay, like the smell.
It's roasted.
So because this is going to take some time, why don't we get started with the paisam? So
For
for
sure,
paisam,
bhai.
we have milk, we have water, we have sugar, and we have broken rice.
I'm very excited. So थोड़ा शर्म आ रहा है मेरे को. बहुत टाइम बात कर रहा हूँ ये.
तेरे kitchen professors will be proud.
Yeah, they hated me, bro. I think I used to like cut my finger off. बीच में काटते वक्त there used to be blood in the kitchen every time I was there.
So
doing
internship
it.
के time पे did you like work in all the departments or how was it?
Yeah, bro, I work in all departments. F&B, I was in the banquet. Then front office, I did housekeeping also.
तुझे चीता बुलाते थे कि नहीं?
हाँ भाई वो लोग चीता बोल के ना काम करवाते ज्यादा कि हाँ तू तो चीता है तो मतलब थोड़ा ज्यादा कर ही देगा करके.
That's
तो
true,
थोड़ा हम
that's
लोग
true.
थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस में आ जाते
हम लोग को लगता था कि अरे हाँ हम लोग उन लोग के साथ आ गए.
वही
अभी
मैं सबको मैं यही बोलता हूँ जो भी ऑफिस में काम करता है भाई अच्छे से काम मत किया करो. अगर अच्छे से काम करते तो लोग ज्यादा काम देते हैं. ये
That's
याद
true.
रखना. Never show your full potential at any job, bro.
So at what point did you decide you wanted to switch from hotel management to this? Like what was that breaking point? ऐसे?
I think like the stress only. I was like, मतलब I think like I ran out of options. मतलब I always used to like look at music. I cannot like make career out of this.
Yeah.
But then when I found out that I can't do anything else, well,
Yeah.
that's when I was just like, I think I need to make a life out of just music.
When you first started rapping like properly,
Yeah.
like घर पे like how was the reaction?
They found out like very late. They found out I still don't have like conversations with my parents or like my sister about like music. Now they're chill. Now I think they're just like they just let me be. I think they're just like कि ठीक है कर रहा है कुछ. We tried our best to not, like ask him to stop and all of that, but that didn't work out. I fought through it. So I think now they are like a little like okay with
But
it.
tell me like when do you think you knew you could rap?
Long ago. मतलब मैं तभी I didn't think of it like as professionally rapping because I picked up rapping when there was no rappers in India at all. Like I could not see rappers in India. But I've been rapping since school. Like, you know, I was like 10, 11 years old since I was like writing my own raps and all of that. But
School?
yeah, in school, bro. Bro, it was like a thing, bro. मैं थोड़ा ऐसे introverted सा बच्चा था थोड़ा. तो मेरे साथ कुछ भी गलत होता था स्कूल में तो मैं ऐसे घर पे जाके गाना वाना सुन के थोड़ा इसके साथ मेरे साथ ये हुआ है मेरे साथ वो हुआ है ऐसे सब में लिखता था थोड़ा. आपको कब पता चला कि आप खाना बना सकते हो?
I thought I was gonna like do medical,
Oh,
but in my 12th I realized that's not my cup of tea,
yeah.
and that's when like I gave the entrance for hotel management. Like you, I have many friends who kind of like decided during
Yeah.
their internship time कि भाई ये industry हमारे लिए नहीं है.
Yeah, you're right, you're right. Many people that I studied with also, they are also like not like working in hotels or anything like that.
Can you like add the milk into the water?
पूरा डाल दूं क्या?
पूरा.
Damn, bro. मेरी मम्मी देखेगी ये तो ये बोलेगी अब मेरे लिए भी बना.
So you're known for rapping Meera Road,
Yeah.
and most of your rap songs are in Hindi.
Yeah.
Being from like South India, do you plan on like incorporating that into your music?
The thing is, I've been like raised here. Like I've been here since I was like 2,
Yeah.
and I've lived with my mother for like most of my life. I live with my mother still.
Okay.
And I do talk to her in Kannada, but my
Wait, you know Kannada?
yeah, I talk Kannada more primarily.
Oh
Are
yeah?
you?
Yeah, because I lived in Udpi.
I thought it's Tulu more than Kannada.
I know Tulu because that's my mother tongue. But
But
then
you
I
also
had to
know
learn Kannada because
ಕನ್ನಡ
that's
ಬರುತ್ತೆ
the
ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಅಷ್ಟು
ಬರಲ್ಲ
ಒಳ್ಳೇದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನನಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟು
same.
ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ that's what I'm saying right I'm not that too strong with Kannada so I'm like a little hesitant of like using like you know like a language that I'm not very like familiar with but the things that I can say and the things that I use like with my mom like when I'm talking I'm thinking of like you know incorporating it when it comes to me naturally then I think that will make sense to me I don't like this whole like fashion of oh now I'm from Karnataka I need to represent Karnataka but it's more about like what I'm raised around so that's why I represent Meera Road a lot more than I represent the south of India because I've been raised here I know more of you know the culture of Meera Road more than I know the culture of Karnataka.
So tell me, like, how does it work in the rap industry? Do you guys have friends? Do you have more friends? Do you have more enemies? So how does it work?
I keep telling everyone there's no friends in this industry. If it's beef with me, it's gonna be like real forever. I don't like you know I take that seriously like that when that happens. I don't believe in friendly competition. If you are my friend, I'm not competing with you. If I'm competing with you, I'm not your friend. So I think I try to like keep my distance from other rappers and most people in the industry. My friends are still the friends that I grew up with in school that have nothing to do with music or anything.
So if I ever wanted you to create a diss song like on behalf of me, would you be able to do that?
Of course, bro. Now you're a friend, bro. आप मेरे सांबार आंबार बना रहे तो आपके लिए तो मैं कर ही दूंगा भाई कोई सीन नहीं कोई शेफ वेफ को डिस करना है बोल देना
नहीं यार,
बकवास
ऐसे सब
नहीं
नहीं
कुछ
कर रहा है।
बकवास बना रहा है बोल देना नमक कम है तेरे खाने में लौड़े ऐसा कुछ बोलना है तो मेरे को बोल देना ठीक है आना नहीं मेरे सामने नमक कम मेरे खाने में ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो डोंट वरी अबाउट I got you don't worry.
Do you want to like take a sniff of this?
Damn, bro. A lot of curry patta and red chili also.
Yeah, so this is like all the dry spices that's been roasted. So now
Yeah.
like the next step is we are just going to like grind it and it's going to become like a fine powder.
Yeah.
And that's what we call the sambar masala.
Yes, I know that.
So like over a period of time, I'm sure like you must have seen that you have a very like loyal fan base.
Yeah.
How does that work? How did you end up like creating one for yourself?
The secret for me was making music with no agenda. I didn't have any like, I'll make this song so that this works for this person. I'll make this song for this purpose. The only reason that I made a song because I think I just wanted to vent out something that was inside. And I think I tapped into like myself very well. तो थोड़ा सा हमेशा से vulnerable ही रहा है मेरा music थोड़ा. मुझे लगता है वो जब होता है तब एटलीस्ट जितना मुझे लगता है वो देख के लोग इतना कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं कि मतलब ये बंदा थोड़ा पर्सनल हो गया अपने म्यूजिक को लेके तो वो लोग थोड़ा पर्सनली अटैच भी हो जाते हैं और थोड़ा अनयूजुअल है यार मेरा फैन बेस मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा डर भी लगता है कभी कभी लाइक यू नो आई डोंट वांट टू लेट देम डाउन
Yeah, but don't you think like having a fan base also opens you up? ऐसे criticism ज़्यादा होगा या लोग कुछ एक बार खुश है दूसरी बार कुछ और बोल देंगे?
yeah those thoughts do come to my head bro like मतलब कि वो ये थोड़ा प्रेशर भी है कि like you know a lot of people look at me like you know I'm living on this guy's music मैं अगर ये बंदे ने गाना नहीं बनाया तो मैं मर जाऊंगा शायद लोग बोलते मुझे आके कि भाई तेरे गाने इसीलिए मैं जिंदा हूँ तो ये सब सुनता हूँ तो थोड़ा सा प्रेशर फील होता है पर फिर मेरे को अपने आप को बोलना पड़ता है यार कि मतलब the reason that people are listening to me and the reason that I have this community is because I decided to be myself at all times.
Do you think is there like any wrong perception like people have about you or your fan base or others?
I think people that have not met me have this perception कि मैं थोड़ा सा rude हूँ. Like, you know, you would be rude to me and you wouldn't talk to me properly. I'm chill, bro. I'm like just like a regular dude. I just think like I'm very introverted, bro. So I think people take that as like, you know, me being a little rude or like me being like a little away from people कि ये अपने आप को कुछ समझता है इसके लिए थोड़ा ऐसा है. But ऐसा नहीं है. I'm very like, you know, I like to be like with myself a lot.
So like I mean बाकी लोगों का opinion जो भी हो it doesn't like affect you or get into your head.
I'm only human, man. कभी कभी तो होता है like, you know, like रात को कभी कभी सोचता हूँ कि लोग क्या सोचते हैं मेरे बारे में. ये सब होता है कभी कभी. But luckily, like, you know, those voices don't win. Luckily, the voice that wins is just be yourself. Just be yourself at all times, you know. मुश्किल है भाई. मतलब the thing is that we like what we do for a living. What matters the most is if people like us or not.
Like us or not. That's
That's our whole currency. तो मुश्किल है ये. मतलब like you have to fight it. That is like a lifelong battle that we're gonna fight. But you have to find like your grounding, your roots, and you have to stick to that. Listen to the people that you've known before all of this.
So we have everything ready for the sambar paste.
You all make sambar at home a lot.
Yeah, my mom makes a lot of sambar and even my grandmom, which is what I love more. Or like I mean, I grew up for 6 years. I was there, so she only used to make like I used to eat like home cooked meals all the time.
Yeah. So a lot of sambar.
A lot of sambar. So we can like definitely add more water in this.
Yeah.
So we'll just like. So this it basically looks like a very coarse chutney.
Yeah.
So we will add more water into it. We'll add all the veggies that you can clean up.
Yeah. I did a lot of veggies today.
And even like if you see the paisam, we
Yeah.
have been cooking it for a while now. So we started off with 1 liter. It's almost at like the halfway
Yeah,
point.
it's half.
मुझे लगता है कि rapping is much more difficult and
Nah, man.
intimidating.
Bro, rapping is easy. Bro. Rapping, I think,
Oh,
is
no.
like वो चार गाली जोड़ो तो मजा आ जाता है.
नहीं, fine.
Like you just need to think of it like this. Is how I think about it. You need to think about who you're angry at. Like, you know, at that moment who you're angry at. That's it. You have the song, bro. I think I need to be angry sometimes.
Like how do you like come up with it? Like even whether it's like lyrics for your song or what are you gonna say next, even if it's like on the spot.
Yeah.
Like दिमाग में आता है कैसे?
So any thought that I have it stored in my head. कि, oh, this is an interesting thought that I can put somewhere. I have these things stored up and I'm like, oh, this fits perfectly here. So I just put it there. So I think that's how it like comes to me.
That's a lot to keep up with. Like,
Yeah, but I'm used to it, bro. At one point I was not even writing. I never used to like write down lyrics also. I just used to keep it in my head, just like remember it. Like if you tell me something interesting, I'll be like, wow, that changed my perspective or something. Or I'm like, oh, that's an interesting take. I'll let that marinate in my head. I'll open it up a little more in my head. Why did he say that? What does that mean? How does he come to that conclusion? Do I agree with that conclusion? And then I add it somewhere where I can see it fits well. This is how it is, bro. I don't want to make music with the thought of making music. I want it to be very connected to the real world and the real life.
कुछ intention नहीं है पीछे second.
कुछ हाँ मेरे को रखना ही नहीं. मतलब मैं जैसे ही सोचने लग जाऊंगा ना कि मेरे को ऐसा गाना बनाना, मेरे को पता है कि मैं बकवास गाने बनाऊंगा और मैं कर चुका हूँ ट्राई कि ऐसा गाना बनाओ तो जिसमें ऐसा हो, ऐसी एनर्जी हो, ऐसे लोग को पसंद आए. उससे कुछ अच्छा बनता नहीं है. मतलब मेरे को एकदम I need to base it on real life.
The new song 5 baje, is it like based on like real life?
It's a sad song. We all have like someone that got away, at some point in life. So
Yeah.
I think with me it was that like someone who got away.
Got away like heartbreak or
No one can break my heart, dog.
why? Why is that?
I don't break anyone's heart. No one breaks my heart. It's just usually like I think life situations usually like hamper my relationships. That's what the song is also about. We were in a bad time.
Yeah.
That's why we got away from each other. We're both the one that got away from each other.
In the meantime, can you just you can see like the paisam, it's almost
Yeah.
done. We can add the brown rice and the sugar into it, and we can just let the rice cook. So our sambar is almost ready. We're gonna like give it tempering, and even the paisam, like all of our rice is cooked. So yes, now that we are done with all the cooking bits, let's move on to eating. And
I'm very excited, bro.
so, what do you think about the process?
It was good, bro. I think
So, do you think it's easy or you can make it
I think I
tomorrow?
can make it. Yeah, I think I can make it tonight.
So now that we are done with the cooking part of things, let's move on to some easier questions.
Yeah.
So do you think rappers need to be haters to be like big?
I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, there's so much strong language.
Yeah. I think it helps in a way where You know, we all want to be number one, bro. Like rap is like a form of music, but it also like a sport, you know. So I think being a hater helps. Yeah, it helps. Like it helps the aggression inside. It helps the.
But are they
bravado.
like, you know, showing the real side whenever they are like rapping, or how does it work?
Honestly, I think people think they need to find an angle to be like a rapper. They need to find their angle is what they think. तो एंगल ढूंढने जब लग जाते हैं तब मेरे को लगता है वो पूरा फेकिंग होता है. मैं तो सब लोग को वही बोलता हूँ कि एंगल ढूंढने से अच्छा अपने लाइफ में कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग ढूंढ लो जिसके बारे में तुम लोग रैप कर सकते हो. अभी तू अमीर है अगर तो मत बोल कि बहन मेरे साथ ये सब हुआ है, मेरे साथ हुआ है भाई बुरा, प्लीज ऐसा मत बोलो भाई मुझे मेरे साथ हुआ है बुरा. That shit sounds very like corny to me. Just real with whatever you're doing and just like, you know, try to like rap about your life. I think it works out better. अब मैं खाने वाला हूँ भाई.
खा ले खा ले.
ठीक है. I'm gonna
And
be a
tell
good
me,
judge.
tell me honestly, what do you
I'm
think
gonna be a
about
good judge, bro. Well, I like it, man. It was actually good. Tastes actually like home. मजा आया. So it tastes good with like pickle the most.
it? You want to have some curd?
Yeah. I'll add it on a little later. Curd rice is always like something you eat after.
Comfort food.
Yeah. After you eat the main meal, you add curd rice, water, and then you eat it.
Tell me, what do you think about the paisam also? Because the seeds, any food for thought?
Okay. I think I'll go by what I mentioned before. No need to fake a persona. No need to find an angle. Try to find what's the most interesting part of your life that already is. Yeah, try to like find something fun in your life and not like find something fun in someone else's life and then make music about it. That was for artists. For people, yeah, live your life, man. Enjoy life right now.